Now let's do AA section. As you remember, we positioned the section line according to the position of the window and the flight of stairs and the window on the upper floor, the first floor, so that we can cut through these two windows and all the way through the stairs. So it's actually a vertical cutting plane like this. And this is what I need to do. I need to separate them and look at this direction and draw what I see. So as you see here, I will be cutting through the earth here, this terrace area, the wall, windows, the roof, the east wall, and the other terrace, and again earth. And I will, when I will look towards this direction, I will see the inside surface of this wall. And also I will be cutting through the first floor, the flight of stairs, its landing. And when I look towards this direction, I will see all the handrails and the side of the first floor. So let's do this together. This is how we can do it. I'm going to use the ground floor plan, and so you can do the same. You have your A3 drawing paper and the sketch paper fixed over it. So you have the same thing with you. So this is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to carry the width of this terrace area, and I'm going to draw the okay, I'm going to draw the cut surface of the earth. Let's start here. Approximately, we can start somewhere like here. It's a little bit higher than the middle part of the paper. So I just start here. This is the height of the earth surface. For the terrace, I can have a 15 centimeter height. And again, I have another terrace here and earth here. So I can get rid of these lines. Now I can continue with the cut surface of the wall here. So this is what I need to transfer. I need to transfer this cut surface of the wall. And I know that the height of the parapet wall is 90 centimeters. So this is what I'm going to draw. I will draw the parapet wall here. And after that, I will have another wall at the back. I'm just transferring the intersection of the section line with the wall drawings. And since there is no parapet wall there, I will just create the wall, but I don't know how much I should go upwards. So this is something that I need to calculate first, and I can do the drawing. So I have two windows here, and I know the upper level of this first floor, it's 2 meters, 70 centimeters high. So first I need to find the position of the upper surface of the first floor, and then I can measure a 90 centimeter height for the parapet wall here. So this is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to find the upper surface of the first floor. That's it. And then I'm going to measure a 90 centimeter for the parapet wall. And this is the height, the true height of the wall there. After that, I will be cutting through the window here. So I need to do the window area so that it will have a 2 meter 10 centimeter total height. And this from this point up, the wall continues until the parapet of the first floor window. So I will have the same height from here. That's the wall. And after that, I need to do these two windows as well. Now I can draw the cut surface of the window area by transferring the position from my plan, and here it will appear there in the middle, and I need to draw it with, again, thick and black line because it's the cut surface. And there's this other window on top of it, but I don't know how much the height should be. As you can see here, there is no information about the window height, and it appears it's not as high as the first ground floor windows. So here is a very important trick that I need to use. And for that, I need to, again, transfer the position of the upper floor window. And it's the same. I don't know how should I keep going. But there is the height of this corner. And it says that it has a 6 meter 50 centimeters total height, and there is this 45 centimeter roof parapet, and after that the roof starts with this 25% inclination. So by using all these information, first I can draw the roof and I can find the position of the windows according to the position of the roof. So this is what I'm going to do. If you want, you can just pause the video here and add another A4 paper here on your table, so we can draw the elevation, the west elevation of the building, to find the height of the walls and windows. Let's do this. Just add another paper. It doesn't matter. It's not important right now. You can just add an A4, any A4 paper on your on this part of your table, so that we can have a surface to work on. So this is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to imagine myself that I have a section through here, outside the building, somewhere here, and I will be looking at this facade. And let's do this. Let's imagine that we have a section through here, and I need to transfer first. I need to transfer the, let me change the color. First, this one. That's the terrace area that I see. And I can transfer them like that. To this part of the paper, and now I can draw a line. That's the cut surface of the earth. I will be cutting through the earth here. And when I look towards this direction, I will first see this edge of the terrace area. So this is what I'm going to draw now. I'm going to draw the, if I just carry this height from here, I will draw the scene surface of this terrace area. And after that, I can draw the scene surface of this wall and the roof. So this is how I'm going to do. First, I'm going to transfer the position of this corner here, and I know that it has a height of 6 meters, 50 centimeters. So I will draw it starting from the 0, point. I will measure a 6 meter, 50 centimeter height. And there is this thickness of the wall, as you can see here, it's the same that comes from the plan. So this is what I need to transfer. I need to find this corner here, and I need to transfer it to the elevation drawing part there. Let's do this. So that we will be able to draw the parapet. And it's 45 centimeters. And now I find this corner here. So I need to create a 25% inclination angle, line. This is how I can do. I first need to go 100 on this left side to the left side, and then I need to measure it 25 downwards. And when I connect these two corners, this line will appear with the 25%, and that's this corner here, and it's been inclined towards this direction. So I need to find the position of this U here. So this is what I'm going to do. I will transfer this, the corner of the U, and I will continue, extend the line till here. And that's the roof of the building, the upper edge of the roof of the building, this upper edge. And I need to do this, its thickness. So I will have a 20 centimeter thickness for the roof as well. And this is the thickness of the roof. So this is how I see it. And now I need to find this corner of the wall. So I can create the east facade. First, I need to transfer its position from my plan, and it's here, it appears here. So I will draw the line of the wall corner. So this is my east facade, the edges of the east facade, that corner, this corner, the roof, and the terrace area. And now I can find a proper height for my windows. Let's try 1 meter here. Yeah, it looks fine, and it's something very close to the drawing here. So yeah, so I can have a 1 meter high window there. This is what I'm going to do now. I will raise the cut surface of the windows for 1 meter high. And now I can draw the rest of the walls, but this time I don't know how much should I raise them upwards. So again, I need to find a proper technique to find out the height of the walls here. As you can see from this section, they are being raised up to the the lower edge of the roof. So first I need to find the position of the roof section, and then I can draw the height of this wall here and this wall with its roof parapet. So how can I do the roof section? Can I just use my elevation like I did before to find the section, the position of the section like this? Let's say that first let's transfer the position of the section line here over the elevation so that we can easily understand the height of the section. When I do this, this is the position of my section line here, AA section here. So their intersection will give me the cut surface of the roof. So this is what I need to do. I need to transfer it over the AA section. This is the cut surface of the roof. So let me first draw that. And in order to do that, I need to transfer the position of the roof view from my plan. So I'm going to put my first floor plan here to find the position of the, this is what I need to transfer, this part here. That's the roof edge. So now I can draw the cut surface of the roof. This is the cut surface of the roof. It starts here, it ends here, and this means that this wall should be elevated, should be raised towards the below surface of the roof. However, this roof, this wall will be a little bit higher than the surface of the roof. So first I need to draw it up here. And then I can keep going for another 45 centimeters because that's the height of the roof parapet. So that's the cut surface of my roof and walls. This is a little trick that I can use to find the proper positions. Now I can transfer the cut surface of the first floor and all these steps with its landing by transferring them from my plan. Let me change the color so that we can easily understand. Let's use the yellow color for them. This is what I need to transfer. If I want to find the cut surface of the first floor, I need to transfer. Okay, I'm going to use another color because I cannot see it. So it's the orange. I need to transfer the cut surface by using my dashed lines on the ground floor. This is the cut surface of the first floor. So in order to draw that, I need to find its height. It's 2 meters 7 centimeters. So it's here, and its thickness is again 20 centimeters. So this is the cut surface of the first floor. And now I need to transfer the steps from my plan with the landing to draw the cut surface of all these steps. Again, I can use another color. This time, let me use a blue one. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to transfer my steps here one by one so that I will find the cut surface of each step. There's a mistake. My cursor's not wrong corner. And that's the position of the landing. As you can see here, that's the landing. And it ends there. So this is what I need to do. And I need to check the riser height one more time. It's 18 centimeters. So now I will draw my first riser. It's 18 centimeters, and then second riser again 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters. And now I find my landing, and it goes like that to the wall. So let's do its thickness. We can have a 10 centimeter thickness for these stairs. This is the thickness of the landing, and the below surface of the stairs. This is how I can do it. First, I create this line, and I create a line, another line that is parallel to it. Like this, so I can get rid of these lines. So this is the thickness of the the thickness of the stairs. Yeah. Now I can close these lines, and as you can remember from our previous exercise, this is how I finish the stairs. So these are all the cut surfaces of the stairs. I'm just going to eliminate these so we can understand them better. Yeah, these are the cut surfaces of the stairs. So when I check my isometric view, I will see that I draw everything that I need to draw, and that's the only thing left is the handrail here. It's been cut like that. So now I'm going to transfer the position of the handrail from my plan so that I can draw them. Here I can use the dashed lines to find the proper position. And it has this width, and here again I'm cutting through the handrail here. So I need to first find its height. It's 90 centimeters, and sorry. I will find its height. It's 90 centimeters, and it's something like this. There is this 10 centimeter part, the handrail part. Let's do this 10 centimeter, and it has two bars, horizontal bars. So I will find their positions like, let's do this. The first one here is 5 to 5 centimeter box. And there's this another one here. These are the cut surfaces, and I will have another handrail over here. So these are everything that I need to draw as the cut surfaces. As you remember, first we need to do everything that has been cut, and then we can move on to the things that are being we will see there. So these are the everything that has been cut. So I'm going to get rid of all these lines. Now they are finished. I am finished. I don't need them anymore. And so that we don't get confused. Now I need to draw the things that I can see. And please be careful here. When I cut through here, this window area and look towards this direction, I will see the surface of the wall here. So let's do this. First, I am going to transfer the position of this scene surfaces over my section. It's this part of the wall, so I am going to draw the scene surfaces here. They appear here, and I'm going to leave those small gaps so that people can understand there is this interval difference between the scene surface and the cut surface. So when I cut through here, I will be looking at this side of the wall, and it appears here, as you can see, because of the position of the wall, I will be looking at the wall surface here. However, it won't be the same with this inclined wall because of its position. If I just do this like that, if I just do the drawing without thinking, then it will be wrong. This is not how it's supposed to be. It's not the same. This wall, because this wall is perpendicular to the section, I can, when I transfer the scene surface, it appears like this. I will have 3 lines. However, when I transfer the scene surface of this inclined wall, this one here, and the door, something will change. It's not like the east wall. First, let me transfer the position of the wall to my section. Here, that's the ground floor window. So this is how I am supposed to do the drawing. It continues like this. The inclined wall will continue like this, and the surface will appear here. And in its middle part, I need to see the end of the glass area. So this is how I'm going to do that. This is the glass area, the end of the glass area. As you can see, when I transfer this part, this is the cut surface, and when I look, I will be looking at this side of the window, and it appears like this. The inner side, the outer side of the wall, and this middle part is the position of the glass area. And again, I should do the same with the door. When I transfer the position of the door, I will be looking at a surface like this, and again, I need to draw it like that. And since the door is moving towards me, this time towards me, I can indicate its opening like this with a continuous line. This is the position of the door. And let's do the same for the upper floor. And I transfer the position of the wall, the position of the window, and the position of the inside surface of the wall. I will be looking at the surface like this. And now I need to transfer the inner corner of the wall here. That's the inner corner of the wall. Now, that's the inner corner of the wall. However, I don't know if it is correct or not. I'm not sure if I should raise this line up to this section. And when I look at my elevation, I should realize that I shouldn't do that. First, I need to find the position of this corner, and then I can have its true height because of this inclination towards here, this inner corner, these 2 inner corners will appear shorter, and I will see some surface of the beneath the roof level, the roof surface. When I look towards, I will see the below surface of the roof. So first, let me transfer this corner to my elevation here, over my elevation here. And I can, if I do that, I can, okay, I shouldn't, okay, this is how I'm going to do. Transfer it here. I can find the proper height of the roof and carry it towards my section. So it means that this height should be like that, and I should see this inner surface of the roof. And when I combine these two corners, this is the inner surface of the wall, the west side wall. This is the inner surface of the roof. And this is the inner surface of this north wall. This is the true position of all these surfaces here. So again, I will get rid of all these unnecessary things, and I can now the only thing is left is the scene surface of all these steps. Here, when I look towards here, I will be looking at this side of the steps and this side of the first floor. So I'm going to add them to my drawing. First, let me do the stairs. In order to do that, again, I need to transfer everything from my plan. Let me do the risers first. These are the scene surfaces of the second flight, and this is the position of the, again, the last thing. So this is my landing, this part here. There's this little part of the landing that I can see here, and then the first riser will appear here. Yeah, I can just measure 18 centimeters, and I can keep going like this. And that's the last step, which is also the first floor. I will find the low surface of this flight by creating this parallel line for 10 centimeters. And when I combine this part, and I can leave a 5 millimeter, a small gap again. Yeah. And again, I will do the same here. Yeah, this is the scene surface of the other flight. This one here. Now I need to do this first floor area, and I will do the same here. It starts from here and it ends here. I'm going to leave that gap, and I need to do it like that because it's the closer surface is this, and at the back I will see the other surface, so I need to leave these gaps. And now I need to do the handrail. This is how I can do it. First, I can transfer the position of the handrail here. I can find its height by measuring a 9 centimeter distance. This is where it starts. And since it's parallel to the surface of the stairs, steps, I can just create the line and do it like this. And once I find the inner part, I can again transfer the position of the handrail from my plan like this. And it continues towards there. And this is the upper surface. So I need to do a 10 centimeter line, and I can create 2 more bars. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So this is what I'm going to do now. Now I'm going to do the other 2 bars. Yes, these are the other 2 bars, and I will close these lines. And here, these are the ones that are close to me, and after that they keep going upwards. So this is what I'm going to draw here. I need to connect them like this. No, like that. Let's do this as well. And now I can create the other lines here and here and here. And yes, okay. I'm going to do these lines. And now I need to do the gaps according to the position of these handrails. This is the closest one, and these are the ones that are at the back, this surface again. So this is how I should do it. First, let me change their colors so that we can understand easily. And this is, yeah. I'm going to change their color into magenta, and I will create these gaps so we can understand which is closer to us, which is far away from us. So I will get rid of these lines of the flight of the stairs because they are being blocked by the handrail bars. And if I do that, people can understand that these handrails are closer to me and the flight of the stairs are away from me. And I should do the same with the bars here so that people can understand these bars are at the back as well. So I'm going to get rid of these lines and these ones as well. And now I can do the same for the side of the first floor here, because it's been blocked by this handrail, which is closer to me. So I will do the same. I am going to create these lines and get rid of the side of the first floor. And I will do the same for the other parts as well. And the last one will be this. So when someone sees that, they can understand that these bars are the closest ones, and beneath them there are another set of bars and the other flight of stairs, and the side of the first floor is at the back, the most back. And now I need to add these part of the handrail and this part of the handrail with its vertical bars. So this is how I can do that. I can create these lines here so that uh, yeah, this is the ones, these are the ones that are at the side of the landing, and I need to do the same for the upper part of the first floor as well. And again, I need to get rid of these lines so that people can understand that they are at the back. And yeah, so these are the handrails, and I will just add the vertical bars there. I can transfer them from the plan again. I have a vertical bar here, a vertical bar there, and one here, and that's all. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll add these lines. To my drawing. Let me finish this and we can continue. So I add the vertical bars, one here, and one in the middle of this landing, and two here, and these are the ones that I can see here. Yeah, okay, so this, yeah, this is wrong. I shouldn't do this because they are not seen there. They are at the back, at that part. So I think that's all that I need to do for this section. I draw everything that has been cut. I draw everything that has been seen, that can be seen. If I want to, I can add some other things to indicate this ear here. And this is how I can do it. First, I need to transfer the position of the ear from the plan, and it's high from my west elevation. So when I look towards this direction, I will see this inner part of the roof, and I can indicate this part with dashed lines because they are being blocked by this north wall. So this is what I'm going to do now. Convert them into dashed lines. This is the ear, and at my back, I can draw the height of the wall like this. That's the position of the wall. And again, it's because it's at my back, I need to indicate it with dashed lines as well. So this is how I can show it if I want to. And these are all optional. I need to show the inner part of the ear, that's for sure, but this back part, that's optional. And yeah, that's all, I guess. If I'm not mistaken, I draw everything that I need to draw. Let's check from the perspective here. I draw everything here. And so that's all. Now I can move on to the things to indicate the other information, like the names of the space. I don't need to write the area because I already give it on the plan. So I can just put the terrace here, and there is another terrace there. So we can view all these information. There's exhibition area, and I need to show the levels here, so I can use the level mark. First, I need to do the levels of the floors. This is the 0, floor. Inside the section, and this is the level of the first floor. I need to move it a little bit towards here so that it won't come overlap with the sorry. And this is this levels of the floors. I need to do the facade section as well, and for that I will need this type of level sign. Let me first determine a proper position, and this is the 0. I can start with the 0 level, and I can keep going upwards. This is the height of the parapet, which is 90 centimeters. And I need to change this sign into plus. And I can give the height of the window or door, which is 2.10 meters. And I can show the height of the parapet here and the upper part of the it's 360. This part here is okay, 460. 460. I need to write down with their original levels. However, I don't give the height of the roof because if I change the position of the section, the roof height will change. So I don't need to give the height of the section of the roof or section of this parapet wall. And if I want to, I can give the height of the U here. So I can put my sign here, and I can find its height. 486. 86, this is what I need to write. And I need to do the levels on this side as well. However, I have lesser things on this side, so I need to show the 0 level here, and above that I can show the parapet of this window and the upper part of the window, which is this level. Yeah, that's all I need to show for this part. I don't give the height of the parapet wall here because it will change. And I can show the height of this landing. Here, if I want to, I should put it like this. However, I'm not sure if it's a good idea because of all these lines. It may be confused. So maybe I should give it here. It will be better. So instead of doing it on the inside the section, I am just going to give it on the side so that people can see it. And this is 144. And that's all. Now I can put the view of the man here. Let's do that over here. Yeah, this is good. And yeah, now I can do the hatch to indicate the cut surfaces. I'm going to fill the inside of all these walls, and I'm going to create a hatch here to indicate the earth there. Yeah, I did the hatch for all these cut surfaces. I need to use the same hatch that I used for with the plan, and I created a hatch to indicate the cut surface of the earth. And maybe I can add this part here if I want to. That's not very important, but it can be something to complete the dashed lines. Here I can just add these dashed lines to finish the window. And on here, that's the back part of the window. And I can create one for the upper window as well. Yeah, however, I should be careful about the height. Yeah, that's all. And yeah, that's all, I guess. Now I can write the name of the drawing. All these drawings, let's write the name. First floor plan, ground floor plan, ground floor plan, scale, and I can write the name of the section here. That's AA section. A section, and this is the east view. If I want to, I can just complete it. That's what I need to do is to transfer the position of the window and the door by using my plan here. I can see this part and this one as well. So these are the things that I'll transfer first. And these are the ground. This is the ground floor window. So and can do the other side. And I can get the heights from here. That's the height of the window. That's the height of the parapet. And Okay. Now I can draw them. This is how I see the window. When I look towards the east facade, I will see this side of the window a little bit, the position of the glass surface, and I can do the same for the door as well. I need to transfer this corner and that one, and this one, and so that I can draw. Once again, I need to remind you that this is not how you draw in AutoCAD. You don't need to do that. I'm just doing them to show how you can do it with your hand. And since it goes away from us, we need to indicate the opening position with dashed lines here. Okay, and I need to do the same for the upper window. However, I can just do this quickly instead of transferring it from plan. I can use the drawing that I already made here. I can stretch it a little bit, stretch this part towards here. And once I get rid of all these lines, that's the east side view of my building. I see the window, the door, their surfaces because of the inclined wall. And at the back, this wall appears, the roof parapet will appear. So I need to complete it as well. So this is what I need to transfer. And let me do this like that. So we can spare some time. That's the position of the back parapet, back wall, back parapet. So let's check it's inclined with the, it's parallel to the surface of the roof. So this is how I draw it. Yeah, that's the, okay. Yeah. That's the back parapet. This is the roof, the east facade. And when I look towards this direction, I will see the tree. So I'm going to add it as well. And here, somewhere here, I can use my plan to find the proper position. So this is, it should be, and that's the position of the trunk. So, and I can create the same dashed line, sorry, the hatch to indicate the cut surface of the earth. And I can place a man on the elevation. Here. Now I can get rid of these lines. Yeah, I can place the man here, over here somewhere. And I need to do these levels. And I can use them, copy them from the, there is this mistake. Okay, there is a mistake with the EU, however, I don't know how it here. It should be like this. This line should be here. Okay. So its level should be here as well. And I can just change its position a little bit so it won't overlap with the other. And I need to measure it one more time. It's 476. So I can copy it from a section and start here. Yeah. Now I can do the other side. First, let's do this. I shouldn't represent the purple here. My neighbor is building something. Hammering. And now I can roll down so that it won't overlap with the tree. Okay, this is good, I guess. This position now I can show the upper part of the roof and the parapet here. That's the upper part of the roof and that's the upper part of the roof parapet. So this is how I need to do it. I need to measure first 584, 584, and on that one I need to do another measurement. It's okay, it's 650. This is how it started. And yeah, that's all. That's everything that I need to draw. Okay. I'm going to print them and show you the final result on the white paper. Okay, on the white paper, this is how it looks like. When I look to the section, this is what I see. These are the cut surfaces of the section, the cut surface of the earth, and I can see my levels here on this side and my levels on this side. That's the roof, the dashed roof that is being blocked by this wall here, and the inclined surface of the inner wall, this wall here. And I can see the cut surface of my stairs, the seam surface of my stairs, the first floor side surface, the cut surface of the first floor, and that's all. This is the ground floor plan as we did before, and I just placed the first floor plan here, and this is the west elevation. As you can see, we will be able to see this surface because of the inclination of the wall and the terrace area and all the levels on each side, the tree and the cut surface of the earth. So that's all.